You say now another way of doing sealing, be that one. And this one with the see, so you say now the work with this one.
Yes.
And
yes.
this one not be POP.
No, it is not.
Wow.
No, it is not. It is polystyrene sealing.
Okay, so make you tell us about them.
Okay, so it's polystyrene sealing. It's made from this polystyrene board. This is a sample of it, okay? This is polystyrene sealing. That's what we use to make the board. And when you see it very soon in the other rooms, as we form everything and make it all out, okay? So now, what's the advantage of polystyrene sealing? The main advantage, number one, is that it is water resistant. It is water resistant. We all know about POP sealing. POP sealing is great, it's good, it has been on for a long time, but we know that one of the weaknesses of POP sealing is that it is not water resistant. When there's a leakage on your roof or anything, it will begin to spoil it, to melt it, and there will be holes and it will eventually collapse. But polystyrene sealing is water resistant. If I were to take water and pour on this now, it won't damage it. So that's one of the big advantage of polystyrene sealing. It is water resistant. Number two advantage of polystyrene sealing is that it is lightweight. It is lightweight. Somebody might say, is it not too light? No, it is lightweight. It is lightweight and firm. By the time we put our other materials on it, it becomes firm and rigid. But it is very lightweight, because anything you are putting above your head, the lighter the better. Because we've all seen videos of maybe POP sealing collapsing. Nobody touched it, nobody hit it with hammer or anything. Over some days, it just collapsed. But polystyrene sealing cannot collapse because it is very, very lightweight. It's very lightweight. So those are the two main advantages of it. Another advantage of polystyrene sealing is that it reduces noise and heat in your building. So it's a very good and a modern day alternative for sealing and other materials. Every major engineering and architectural organization in the world has approved this material. They use it a lot in construction all over the world.
Okay. So this particular polystyrene when you talk about, you don't tell us the advantage. Is it any disadvantage?
Well, the thing is that there's no major disadvantage to polystyrene sealing. Like I mentioned to you, every engineering and architectural organization all over the world, they have approved it for use in different forms of construction. So if it's something that is bad, Oyibo will not be approving it for their own building or for our own. Okay, so it's a very good material, and it's a modern day alternative for what it is.
Okay. So Oga, make you take us around, make our viewers they see. And before you take us around, this one so when it be like this, you sure say fire or rat, you know, go feature pan?
Well, in terms of rats, first of all, like we always mention, rats, prevention is better than cure for a lot of those two things that you mentioned. Those olden days roof that we had in our house, those wooden roof, rats can still eat it. Rats can eat your wooden cupboard. If the rats are very big and very hungry, they will chew that wooden cupboard. So rats can eat through anything. Except for iron. Good. So it's better to prevent it. Whether POP sealing, if you have POP sealing in a place where there's a lot of rats and so rats can eat anything, so that's not an issue. So the point is prevent the rats. That's the first thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So make you take us and make our viewers make they see the work.
Okay. So this is the entrance. You can see the design we did here. Two central circular designs. You can put your chandelier at the middle of it there, so it brings out the beauty of it all.
Okay.
Yes.
And this other one?
Yes, so it's a repetition of the first side. So you can see the same thing there. Comes out really very nice.
Okay.
Okay, good. Let's move on to the parlor, to the main parlor. So you can see this is the design for the main living room. Okay, so let's go to the... Okay, maybe you want to take it from this angle again. Let's see. Or do you want to take it from this angle again?
From here, show them.
Okay.
And then they see the beauty of the work when they go on. Okay, so we continue.
Then, so this is a master bedroom. This is a master bedroom. So a very nice design that we put in here.
This one, another beautiful one.
Yes, a very beautiful design.
So about this design, now you the chooser?
We present a series of sample designs to the clients. Oftentimes they will choose from there. Okay? Yes. If they don't, they can say we can choose ourselves, but sometimes they will choose for the most important areas. So this is the toilet.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Let's move on to this bedroom. Okay, let's look at the lobby first before we move on. You see this is a work in progress. This how, so we're still forming it out. We're still we're about to do the smoothing and all, but this, you can see the raw polystyrene board. So this is how we form and do everything, make different unique designs.
Okay.
Yes.
So this one are a work in progress.
In progress, exactly. So this is a finished, it's a room, bedroom, finished work.
Okay.
Okay, so this is one of the, this is a toilet as well. A bathroom.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, let's go toward the kitchen. Okay, there's another bedroom. Then we'll go for the kitchen. Bedroom. Okay, so this is another bedroom.
Okay.
Bedroom. Then there's a simple toilet design here.
This one, another one.
Yes. Okay, let's go to the dining, from there to the kitchen. Here's the dining.
Okay.
Dining, here's the kitchen. Here's the kitchen.
Okay, so that one, see, they don't want to.
My boys are working here now, so they're working on that passage. So it's working. Just come and see that you can see that we're actually working. Okay, he's up doing the gashing. So that's how it looks like during the forming process.
Okay.
So there's one self-contained at the back. Let's check that one quick briefly. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll follow.
Let's follow. Can we follow here?
And we'll follow.
Let's follow around. Okay.
Since there's the work there,
yes,
for safety purpose.
Okay, so here's a nice design for this self-contained. Okay.
This one, another beautiful one here.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
So that's it.
You can see from here, show them. And that's
okay.
Where it be. The other ones are still work in progress.
Yes.
So, make you stay here, make our viewers they see you.
Okay.
So we don't see the work when you do for this our viewer and get the blessing and the best that you offer.
Yes.
Okay, so if you tell our viewers this particular work like this, how much should it cost?
Yes, polystyrene ceiling work, material plus installation, is 10,000 naira per square meter.
Okay, 10,000 per square meter.
Yes.
So this particular building, what this one, how many square meter they here?
This building is 194 square meters.
194 square meters.
Yeah.
Okay, so if we want to get the amount, we need to times with 10,000 naira.
Yeah.
Okay, so if our viewers need you, may you come work for other part of the country, especially the west. Or your Osun, Ogun State, Lagos, and even Kwara. If you go there, go work.
Absolutely, we can.
So make you give us your number in case our viewers they want to reach you.
Okay, my phone number is 080-600-38853.
Again?
080-600-38853.
Okay, so our viewers all over the world, we thank Una for the time when I tell they watch our videos and the motivation when Una they give us.
Thank you.
We say thank you all and God bless.